Okay, for this one here, it's the Happy Meal method. So we're going to take the x plus 2 and the 2x plus 3 and times them out. 2x squared, 3x's and 4x's is 7x's, 2 3's are 6. One person did put a 5 there. So we've still got a times by the other one. And we just move the happy method. The boys times the fries, the boys the girls times the fries. So we times through by 2x squared. Everything just gets a higher power of x. We get 2x cubed minus 14x squared. When we times through by the 7, we get 7x times x is plus 7x squared. 7 times minus 7 is minus 49. And there's an x from him, so 49x. 7x, sorry, I've done him. Now we do him. 6 times x is plus 6x. And 6 times minus 7 is minus 42. So the x cubed, we've only got him. And that gives us 2x cubed. The x squares, we've got minus 14 and plus, so that's minus 7x squared. And for the x's, we've got minus 49 plus 6, so that's minus 43 x's, and for the numbers we've just got minus 42. And just a hint for the future, keep your eye open for this. Quite often there's a difference of 2 squares, and if you do that bit first it makes the next bit easier. Now that's got nothing to do with this paper, but it has come up in a few of the sample papers. Okay, now for this one here, we're trying to make m the subject of the formula. So how do we get rid of a divide by that? We times by that. Now that's too complicated to get the m out of, so we times it out. We get 2mp squared minus p squared y equals x plus m. Okay, now you could have said p squared m, but I'm putting them in alphabetical order. Now we're trying to get these guys on their own. So we're going to minus m, and that'll get rid of him. And we're going to plus p squared y, and that'll get rid of him. So we're going to minus m, and that's going to get rid of him. And we're going to plus p squared y, and that'll get rid of him. So we get 2mp squared minus m equals, the x is still there, the m is gone, and we've now got a plus p squared y. So now we've got the m's on the side that we want them on, but they're still spread out a bit. So the way we unspread them out is to bring them to the front of the bracket. And we get m equals x plus p squared y over 2p squared minus 1. Now, if you collected them up the other way, you might have the minus signs reversed and so on, but it would be the equivalent of that.